How to troubleshoot a blank or frozen screen on an LG phone. There are 3 main troubleshooting steps for a blank or frozen phone screen. We'll show you all of them. First, we will try a manual restart, sometimes called a hard reset. Here's how. Press and hold the power and volume down buttons simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds. When the LG logo displays on the screen, let go of the buttons. Then wait for the phone to finish restarting. If that does not resolve the issue, the next step is to try safe mode. It's important to note that safe mode disables all third-party applications. You will not be able to use any applications that didn't come on the phone from the factory while in safe mode. To activate safe mode, press and hold the power key until the power off icon appears. Then press and hold the power off icon until the safe mode prompt appears. Select turn on to confirm. Wait for the phone to reboot and verify that it says safe mode at the bottom of the screen. Lastly, if the safe mode did not resolve the screen issue, we will need to complete an alternate factory data reset. It's important to note that completing an alternate factory data reset will trigger Google anti-theft protection. This means you will need to log into the Gmail address that was on the phone previously after completing the reset. If you cannot remember which account was on the phone, or if you get locked out, you can contact LG customer service to send the phone in for repair. A service fee will be charged. To complete an alternate factory data reset, turn the phone off. Then press and hold the power and volume down buttons simultaneously for 5 to 15 seconds until the phone shows a screen that says Android Recovery at the top. Use the volume keys to highlight Factory Reset and press the power key to select Factory Reset. Use the volume keys to highlight Yes. Then press the power key to select Yes. After that, wait 5 to 15 minutes for the phone to complete the alternate factory data reset. If none of these troubleshooting steps resolve the issue, you can go to lgmobilerepair.com or call LG customer service to submit a repair authorization to have your phone sent in to be inspected and repaired. If you need further assistance, please visit lg.com/us/support.